Early in the morning, along with the newspaper, amidst a maze of files at the office, after a long day of work, when it's time to unwind with an old friend at the cafeteria, while reading a book for the guests who have come visiting, at a kiosk by the roadside, sometimes with milk, sometimes with lemon, sometimes green, sometimes black, sometimes with ice. Tea is the second most consumed liquid in the world after water. And here is the story of how this humble beverage is produced. Tea, Camellia sinensis, is an evergreen shrub grown at altitudes around 1,500 meters above mean sea level. It is the tender leaves and the buds of this plant that makes it into your cup. Growers of tea as a ritual go to their estates every day to pick up the leaves, carefully picking up 2 leaves and a bud. And by the end of the day, once they have collected a good quantity of leaves, they send it across to the factories. It is at these factories that the real process begins. Tea is first withered, a process where moisture is reduced. Once the moisture is brought down, the leaves are sent for rolling. Here, the leaves are rolled, twisted and turned. For green tea, the leaves are directly processed without being oxidized, semi-oxidized for oolong, and for black tea, they are exposed to oxidation. It is here they start reacting with the natural air, and tea gets its basic color and aroma at this stage. The next step is firing. In firing, heat is deployed to further bring down the moisture present in the leaves, and black tea is achieved. All such end forms are further blended by infusing many other elements to bring out an array of varieties such as green rose tea, chamomile tea, blue tea, Brahmi, hibiscus, mint, lemongrass, turmeric, long ding, silvertips, and many more. Once these blends reach the consumers across the globe, tea is savored in many different styles, complemented with many different additions, but with a singular and universal pulsation.